Welcome back, you guys. I know it's been a while since I've done any unboxings. Well, the last one I did was fashion, but before that it's been a long while. So today I have lipstick Junkie, and it's been lost behind my closet and I'm barely gonna open it now. And I am like loving the case, the packaging on this. Look how cute this is. It has little lips on the side and it has flowers, and then it's purple, my favorite color of purple. So I am so excited to open this up. They did not reach out to me, this company. This is one that I went ahead and bought myself. First box is $5, and I think you get 2 to 3 lipsticks, and some of them are higher end name brands. I'm not sure what I got today, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open it. Comes with a card. This is the lipstick Junkie, and in the back it tells you all the retail prices of each lipstick and the description and the colors. So this is what's in there. I see 2 lipsticks and then 3 little samples of different colors. Here's the first little sample. Let me see if you guys can see that. It's kind of like a nude color, and the color is Birthday Suit. So that's one, and then here's another one. This one is called Eye Candy. It's a pretty pink. I'm not sure if I'll wear this pink, but I will definitely probably give it to my youngest daughter so she can play with that. And this one is interesting. This one is called Beaming. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell on camera, but it has a little shine, like shimmer inside, and it's kind of like a grayish blue. I'm not sure if you guys could even tell, but it kind of looks black, on camera. After, I'll swatch these, like once I'm done opening all of this. The next one is a lip liner, and it's by Beauty Vault, and it's a lip liner, and it's called Maisie Maya. It's like a pretty pink. You guys can see right here. Maisie Maya. I think it's Maisie Maya. And the third one is a lip gloss. That's by Recieve Cosmetics. I'm not even sure. And this one is called Supreme. You guys can see here. I never heard of this company either. So I'm gonna open up the lip liner first. It's a pretty good size lip liner. Here's the color. It looks like a pretty color, a pretty pink. I love lip gloss. I'm always in need of lip gloss because I go through that so much. Ooh, I love this color. So this color is Supreme, definitely a fall color. I'm gonna say it's like a magenta with red. On camera, it's showing like just straight red, but it's more of like a magenta red. I'm gonna do some swatches. So I'm gonna start with this one that is Birthday Suit, the one that looks like a nude color. So here's the nude color. Kind of like a nude with a little bit of brown in it. Now this one looks pretty bright. This one looks like, reminds me of bubblegum and like a Barbie. Super cute. Yeah, this one I won't probably definitely wear, but my daughter, she could definitely play with it. It's a really pretty bubblegummy pink. Can't see the true color on camera. It just straight out looks black. But it's cute. So the dark one is Beaming, and then the pink one is Eye Candy, and Birthday Suit is this one. So maybe I'll try this one. This one will be fun maybe for like Halloween. Okay, let me swatch the Maisie Maya. So let's do it together. I'm gonna try to focus it on my arm. Like a dark, maybe like a magenta pink kind of, looks red. I'll go ahead and do this one. This one is my favorite out of the box. Definitely. I don't know how it's gonna look on me, but just seeing the color now, it's super pretty. I love it. There's all the colors. This one, these two look almost the same. This one just has a gloss. So here's all the color. You can see a little bit, has like a little blue tint in this one. Overall, I'm gonna say these two were my favorite. Definitely gonna try this when fall comes. I love those like dark color lipstick when it's fall. And this is cute to play with, maybe like Halloween, or I'm not sure. But this is super cute. This one I'm definitely gonna give to my daughter Lily. And then this one I'm gonna try to see if it will even like match, my skin. Hopefully it's not going to be almost the same color as my skin, so we'll see. If not, then maybe my daughter Jessica, maybe she'll like this one. Together in this box, everything retailed for 40 bucks and I got it for 5 bucks. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and put the info down below. 5 bucks, that's pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.